Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet this lace stitch. The crochet hook I'm using on this video is 3mm hook. Let's start with a magic circle. Wrap the yarn on your finger like this. Insert the hook, pull the yarn over, chain 1. Now we are going to make a double crochet. You can use chain 3 instead of the first double crochet, or you can crochet like this. Chain 1, make another double crochet, chain 1. So one double crochet and chain 1 is a set. We need to make 8 sets of one double crochet, chain 1. Please follow this pattern and finish the round. Here I got 8 double crochets and 8 chain 1 space. Snip stitch to the first stitch to join the round. Chain 1. And following we are going to make 1 half finished double crochet, 2 half finished double crochet, 3, 4, 5 unfinished double crochet, pulling yarn over all the loops in chain 1. That's a 5 double crochet bobble. Now pull the yarn on the hook longer, about 2 centimeters. Yarn over hook and pull the yarn over the loop. Insert the hook here, make it 1 single crochet, and repeat that 1 more time. Pull the yarn longer, about 2 centimeters. Pull the yarn over the loop, make 1 single crochet here. A yarn over hook, make another bobble to the last chain space. So following, I'm just going to call this 5 double crochet bobble a bobble. 4, 5 unfinished double crochet, pull the yarn over 6 loops at the same time, chain 1. Following, we are going to make a smaller circle, so pull the yarn about 1 centimeter long. Don't forget to hold the thumb there, so easy need to insert the hook. Make 1 single crochet, pull the yarn about 1 centimeter long. Insert the hook to make 1 single crochet. So far you made 1 set. Following, we are going to repeat the set. The pattern here is 1 bobble big circle set, 1 bobble small circle set. Let's repeat the pattern. So make 1 bobble in the chain 1 space. The bobble here is 5 unfinished double crochet bobble. Will be 6 loops on the hook. Pull the yarn over all the loops, 2 centimeter long. Make 1 single crochet here. Don't forget to hold the thumb there so the yarn doesn't move while you crochet the single crochet. Pull the yarn about 2 centimeters long. Hold the thumb here and make 1 single crochet. So following, we are going to make another bobble in the next chain space. Chain 1. Following, we are going to make smaller circle. 1 single crochet here. Pull the yarn a little bit longer to 1 centimeter. Make 1 single crochet here. So 1 big circle set, 1 small circle set. Please repeat the pattern and finish the round. So let's see. 1 big circle, small circle, big circle, small circle, and big circle, small circle, and big circle, small circle. Double check. Double check, make sure you get the right number. and snip stitch to join around. Insert the hook to the top of the bobble, snip stitch, chain 1. And this is how you make this beautiful lace stitch. You can use this to make a headband or blanket, top, dress. Comment to let me know what you're going to make from this. Next video I'm going to show you how to join while you crochet. Make sure you like this video and subscribe so you don't miss out. Thank you for watching. See you next time.